This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm standing on a balcony at a penthouse at Burnham Pointe, a pet-friendly, full amenity building in a near loop location in the South Loop, Printers Row. Dazzling view. It's going to be equally spectacular, if not more so, at night when the city lights up. Let's head inside for a walk around. The balcony opens off a dining room. Plenty of space here for a table that can seat 6 or 8. Pass through to the kitchen. Cabinetry that opens from both sides. You're seeing the honey-colored plank flooring that extends throughout the living areas. As you would have entered the unit, you have a wide coat closet, a wide foyer, and a half bath with a pedestal sink and an oval-shaped mirror. And as you head toward the living area, the ceiling opens up to at least an 11 and perhaps a 12-foot height. 2 walls of windows. Looking north, looking over the lake, and then looking east over Dearborn Station, Printers Row, and further out into the South Loop. Great feel to this space. Very bright, very open. Lots of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. There's a fireplace. You have a wide breakfast bar peninsula here. Double bowl, undermount sink, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, gas range, plenty of cabinet and counter space, track lighting. You'll also see sconce lighting. And off the kitchen for additional storage, there's a pantry or whatever. Heading back toward the bedrooms, a full-size stackable washer-dryer, guest bath with a wide shower, and then the second bedroom is pretty generously sized for a second bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows, looking east. Wide closet with dual shelving. Master has good separation for privacy. Sleeping area that's spacious enough to accommodate any size bed and additional furniture. Large walk-in closet. Oversized bath that has both a walk-in shower and a steeping tub, in addition to a dual bowl vanity. It's a very appealing penthouse unit. Very bright, very open. A special place. Put it on your must visit list if you're looking for a distinctive apartment in the South Loop. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.